Hello guys, I am here with an exciting news for Samsung lovers. That is, the spec sheet of the Samsung Galaxy S10 models is leaked online. So let us take a look at those. Samsung has had a base level of 64GB of storage on its flagship phones since the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 in 2016, and every other top-end phone since then followed it until the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which came with a minimum of 128GB. The Samsung S10 range looks likely to follow the same, thanks to speedy storage upgrade confirmed for upcoming Samsung phones. A newer and faster storage technology called UFS 3.0 is set to debut in early 2019 on Samsung devices, according to the company's head of mobile memory product, speaking at Qualcomm's 4G or 5G summit in Hong Kong. Samsung Galaxy S10X model shows up in the specs leak, reveals 5G modem along with a whopping 12GB of RAM. The various reports and rumors floating online are a bit overwhelming. The phone is expected to come with an all-screen display, an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and maybe even an under-display camera, although that seems too far from the truth. Now, according to the information gleaned from an analyst report, the Galaxy S10 will have up to 12GB of RAM. According to a memo coming from GF Securities, most 2019 flagships will come with a considerable amount of RAM. There would reportedly be 4 Galaxy S10 variants, including a 5G model, namely Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10X, and S10X 5G. According to a table shown in the memo, the Galaxy S10X 5G variant will have 12GB of RAM, while the Samsung S10X will come with 8GB of RAM. The same table also shows that the Huawei P30 will also have 12GB of RAM. The entry-level Samsung Galaxy S10 may come with just 4GB of RAM, and Galaxy S10 Plus might ship with 6GB of memory. Xiaomi recently announced the Mi Mix 3 Forbidden City Special Edition, which will have 10GB of RAM, but it seems unlikely that Samsung will actually put 12GB of RAM inside the Galaxy S10. For starters, the company just introduced 8GB of RAM with Galaxy Note 9, and it is out of kilter for it to increase the RAM this quickly. Moreover, 12GB of RAM would be pretty useless, and it would also drive up the cost of already expensive phone. As for now, we don't know the actual pricing of these models. I am waiting to know furthermore details of Galaxy S10. If you want to know more info as like me, then click the thumbs up button below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.